how quickly can you provision new sites, and what's realistic for an emergency deployment?
Yeah. So one of the beauties of a Inseego managed cellular solution is this very thing and how quickly you can be up and running. So let's start briefly with the hardware side of the house, which is, this is our new 41 FX 4100. It's got internal antennas, so it's literally put a SIM card in the back and plug it in. Find the best place to plug it in and plug it in. Now, you could put the SIM card in a staging area and have it on standby, or you can just plug it in on site. So anybody can really do that. You don't have external antennas to drill in. You don't have to find a cable. Where's the wiring closet? All these types of things. So that part is very simple and easy. The second part of that, which is equally as important, is the management that we do to do zero touch provisioning so that you can be up very quickly. So you can manage, the easiest way to manage these through Inseego Connect is through a template. So you have a template that's configured and you apply that template to a group. And so you can have a number of routers, really any number of routers in the group. So in an emergency situation, or even just a new site, the new device comes into your account, you move it into the group, then you ship it on site. And the first time it comes online, it sees the cloud, it gets its configurations, and it talks to the tower and it's up and running. So it's really a play of easy to deploy hardware, simple to deploy golden configurations with a zero touch provisioning. And that leads right into the emergency deployments. When you're really in trouble and you're really in a place where you need to ship it to somebody that's maybe not an expert, it's like, here, pick this up, plug it in, and it will work with the network. And that's a really, really powerful solution, especially in emergency times.
And of course, that's the router side of things. You might argue there's nothing faster than a MiFi either, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. I mean, the MiFi is in the same situation as far as easy to deploy, but it's even easier to ship it out there. Just turn that thing on, and now you have ultimate mobility with long-lasting battery life, all the security features, really, really, and then you can have different carriers and with whatever your solution is. So, really, really important for emergency deployments, mobility, and instant access.